Pip's fuzzy friend. In a garden full of soft green grass and tall swaying trees, Pip was playing with a toy boat. Suddenly, a sound came from the bushes. Bzz whiz, bzz whiz. Pip froze. The sound was loud, and Pip was a little bit scared of things that buzzed. Out from the leaves flew a tiny fuzzy creature. It had bright yellow and black stripes, and wings that moved so fast they were a blur. It was a bee. Pip ducked down, but the bee didn't look mean at all. She had big, friendly eyes and a very tiny smile. "Hello there," the bee seemed to hum. "I am Ziz, and I have a very big job to do today. Would you like to see?" Pip was still a little nervous, but Ziz looked so cheerful. Pip nodded slowly and stood up to follow the little yellow speck as she zipped toward a flower. Ziz landed right in the middle of a giant sunny sunflower. She wiggled her bottom and danced in a circle. As she moved, her fuzzy legs got covered in bright yellow dust. "This is pollen," Ziz hummed. "It's like magic fairy dust for the garden." Ziz flew up and zoomed over to a different flower, a pretty purple one. She landed and shook her legs. The yellow dust fell off and tickled the purple petals. "Now this flower can grow seeds," Ziz explained. "I'm a garden messenger, carrying gifts from one bloom to another." Pip watched Ziz fly from flower to flower. "If you didn't do that, what would happen?" Pip asked. Ziz landed on a leaf to rest. Without bees, the flowers would be lonely, and the garden would stop being so colorful. We help the world stay bright and beautiful. Pip looked around and saw a patch of strawberry plants. "Do you help the food grow too?" Pip asked. Ziz nodded her fuzzy head. "Yes, because I visit the blossoms. These berries can grow big, red, and sweet. Many of your favorite snacks start with a bee's visit." Pip realized that Ziz wasn't scary at all. She was a hard worker and a helpful friend. "I'm sorry I was scared of you," Pip whispered. Ziz did a little loop-de-loop in the air. "That's okay. Most people just don't know how busy we are. We aren't here to boo. We are here to help things grow." Ziz did one last dance in the air, a zigzag and a wiggle. "I have more flowers to visit before the sun goes down. Goodbye, Pip." Pip waved a hand. "Goodbye, Ziz. Thank you for the strawberries and the flowers." Pip didn't feel like hiding anymore. Now, whenever Pip hears a bzz whiz in the garden, Pip doesn't run away. Instead, Pip smiles and looks for the fuzzy yellow stripes. The garden is a busy, happy place, and Pip is glad to have a tiny, buzzy friend looking after the flowers.